District 15, freehold, 2-bedroom penthouse. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today we are at Joo Chiat where I have a very special penthouse unit, 2 bedrooms, for sale just for you. Here we are at the Ivory, located along Ceylon Lane, and it's only 2 bus stops to Eunos MRT station. Here, there are plenty of restaurants and cafes along Joo Chiat Road, so you'll never run out of food options. This particular freehold project TOP'd in 2012 and has an incredibly low density, with only 20 units, so it's very exclusive. You can also enjoy lots of facilities such as the swimming pool, the jacuzzi, the sitting area, barbecue pits, covered car park, as well as a gym. Come, let's check out the unit. So what we have for you today is a 2 bedrooms penthouse unit spread over 1,238 square feet. On the first floor, we have a bomb shelter, the kitchen, the living room and master bedroom. On the second level, we have the junior ensuite and the roof garden. This space is extremely functional and has a squarish layout, so it makes it really easy to redesign. The statement piece in this house is definitely this spiral staircase, which you see the moment that you step into the house. As you walk further in, we arrive at the living room. This space is cozy and you can fit up to a 3-seater sofa. What's great is that there's absolutely no built-in in this area, so you can customize this entire space to your liking. Next, we have the kitchen, which is a lovely little space with large windows, so there's plenty of ventilation and natural light. Across from the kitchen is the master bedroom. This is a very good size to fit up to a king-size bed and a study corner. Alongside these large windows, you have a bay sitting area for you to sit and enjoy the view. The master bathroom is a sight to behold. Look at how big this space is. There's a slight sunken area in the shower, which reminds me a little bit of a Japanese onsen. Now let's head up to the second level. This junior ensuite can be converted into a home office or even a family room. And behind this sliding door is the bathroom. Now this room has 2 other doors leading to the roof garden. And this side door leads to a sheltered area where you can hang your laundry. Last but not least, this door actually opens up to the balcony, which is large enough for an alfresco dining experience. The sellers have also added a canopy, so you do not have to worry about wet weather. Like to make this unique penthouse your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!